Say hi. Hi. If you like this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I think today I'm going to be playing with color. My color story, I'm thinking bright pink, really pretty purple, lime green, aqua. Darkest in the socket, let's start off with some purple. Okay, so I'm going to go in hard and strong with the shade Rowdy from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. It is the darkest purple I have. And I'm using a bullet brush, my Morphe M321, just to pack that color into the socket. I kind of want to do this like a rainbow shape because I have such deep set eyes. Once I open them, look, you can only see a little bit of the shadow, so I've really got to think about where my color placement's going to be so my looks can ultimately have some good payoff. Well, I'm going to quickly tape up my eyes because I plan on getting messy with this one. Okay, switching gears. Now I'm going to go into my Riviera palette and pick up the color Can and basically go right on top of where I did it. I don't want it to go too high, too much higher, because then I'm not going to have room for the other colors. I just want my rainbow to increase just a little bit. Okay, next I want to add the turquoise, and because Subculture also has this pretty color Axis, which is a blue, I'm going to start with that, and I'm going to go over it again with a lighter color turquoise from my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But I'm just going to take the Anastasia brush that I have with this kit and stamp it right along there. That's where I want the blue. So now it somewhat melds with my purple. Okay, now I'm going in with this color turquoise from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're right on top of the Axis. I know I look a little crazy right now, but I'm going to clean all that up. Go into Bahamas in my Anastasia Riviera. Sucks that so much of my workable space goes so deep into my eyes being so deep set. It's so frustrating. I can't even explain how frustrating that is. Dip into a little bit of this pink from BH Cosmetics and just blend right in with the purple. Get a little bit more gradient. And do the same thing with this baby blue in my BH Cosmetics palette. NYX palette. Next I'm going in with my yellow loose powder pigment, Bella Pierre. NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the color Vivid Escape. Okay. Go in with the color Seychelles, which is this turquoise glitter shade in the Riviera palette, to my outer corner. Hot pink in the inner corner. I'm going to use this little flat brush that I got in my Ipsy bag. Okay, I like the color idea, but I need a much tinier brush so I can get right up along that line. And right in the center of my eye, I'm putting Inheritance, which is the gold, in the same Anastasia Riviera palette. Just gonna put it on with my finger. Now I've got a lime green wing, and I like it. Stopping while on my head. Tape off, and I will be back shortly to do my lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this turquoise. I've got a NYX Professional Makeup retractable eyeliner in the color Gypsy Blue, but it's kind of turquoise-ish. Here we go. Corner shimmer, I'm just using this shade at the very bottom corner of my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I feel like it's kind of got a duochrome greenish tint to it, so it goes well with my under eye shadow, yet still brightening the inner corner. I'm gonna go fix my face and throw on some mascara because I hear the baby crying. And I will be back after I've done my lashes to show you guys the final look. So hello everybody, we are back. Our lashes are on, the baby's been fed, we still have food on our face, and this is the final look. You like it? You like it? Thanks for watching. I hope you guys hit subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that little notification bell so they don't miss any new videos. Well, that's a wrap. Say that's a wrap. Bye-bye.